Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I'm Your Name, and today we're diving into an exciting and rapidly evolving area of artificial intelligence, self-supervised learning. Whether you're a seasoned data scientist or just curious about how machines learn, this video is for you. So, let's get started. But first, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how machines can learn from data without needing explicit labels? How do they make sense of vast amounts of unlabeled information? That's where self-supervised learning comes into play. Self-supervised learning is a type of machine learning where the system learns to predict part of its input from other parts. In simpler terms, it uses the data itself as a source of supervision. Unlike traditional supervised learning, which relies on labeled datasets, imagine a dataset of cat and dog images where each image is tagged with its corresponding label. Self-supervised learning doesn't need these labels to function effectively. Here's how it works. In self-supervised learning, the model creates its own labels. Let's use an example for clarity. Suppose we have a dataset of pictures of animals. Instead of tagging each image, the system might learn to predict the missing parts of an image or the next frame in a video from the previous ones. By doing this, it builds a robust understanding of the data structure without needing any external annotations. Self-supervised learning has several fascinating applications. For instance, it's widely used in natural language processing. A well-known example is the BERT model, developed by Google. BERT stands for bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. In this model, the system learns to predict missing words in sentences. For example, if we have the sentence "the cat sat on the ____", the model learns to predict it matched by understanding the context of the surrounding words. This ability to grasp context is crucial for tasks like language translation, sentiment analysis, and even question answering. Another exciting application is in computer vision. Techniques like contrastive learning allow models to learn image representations by comparing different augmented versions of the same image. For instance, if we take an original image of a dog and create two variations, one with a slight rotation and another with a color change, the model learns to recognize that these variations still represent the same dog. This is particularly beneficial in scenarios where labeled images are scarce. Research shows that self-supervised learning can significantly enhance model performance. For example, a 2020 study demonstrated that self-supervised models can achieve state-of-the-art performance on various benchmarks, often outperforming their supervised counterparts, especially in scenarios where labeled data is limited. This approach can reduce the time and cost associated with manual labeling, which is often a bottleneck in machine learning projects. However, self-supervised learning isn't without its challenges. One major hurdle is that the quality of the learned representations heavily depends on the quality of the data. If the data is noisy or biased, the model will likely learn these errors, leading to less reliable outputs. Moreover, self-supervised learning requires careful design of the learning tasks, as poorly defined tasks can lead to suboptimal learning outcomes. As we move forward, self-supervised learning holds the promise of making AI systems more efficient and capable. It opens up new avenues for research and applications, from improving existing models to enabling entirely new ones. The future of machine learning is undoubtedly intertwined with the advancements in self-supervised techniques. So, to summarize, self-supervised learning allows machines to learn from unlabeled data by creating their own supervisory signals. It's revolutionizing how we approach artificial intelligence, especially in fields like natural language processing and computer vision. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about AI and machine learning, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your thoughts on self-supervised learning or any topics you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the fascinating world of technology.